Right. So let's get used to some basic terminology with vectors. What is a vector? So there are physical quantities which need the specification of both the direction and the magnitude. So this could be, for instance, a vector F of force, and the direction gives the direction of application of force, and this is a symbol for the magnitude of the force. Let's say it's 5 newtons. The length of the arrow is an indication of the magnitude of F. Now, what is the meaning then of 2F? 2F, very easy to guess. It'll be a force which is equal to double the magnitude of F, which is 10 newtons, and the direction is the same as F. And similarly, what is the meaning of minus 2F? Again, one can have a very good intuitive guess. It's the vector of magnitude in this example 10 newtons, but opposite in direction. So now we have realized what it means to multiply a vector by a scalar number or a negative scalar number. Now, what is the meaning of a unit vector? Any vector whose length is 1. So let's say this is some vector v, and the magnitude of v is 1 unit. Then we say that it's a unit vector. Now, a couple of conventions which are very useful. We do not differentiate between two vectors which are parallel to each other. So we say that as far as we are concerned, both f1 and f2 are the same vector because they have the same direction and the same magnitude. Now, in general, we make use of the coordinate system to efficiently make calculations with vectors. And one of the first steps is we translate this vector. Let's say that we are doing calculations with f. We translate the vector such that its start coincides with the origin of our coordinate system, and it has the same direction as f. So in this case, this is 5 newtons in length, 5 units in length, and we specify the direction of f by specifying the angle that it makes with x-axis. So to summarize, a vector f is specified by giving the angle theta with x-axis and also specifying the length of the vector, length of this vector as the magnitude of the vector. Also, it is by convention a vector that is in the x direction but of unit length